pony. You're going to be on Benji.
Mm-hmm.
Want to bring Benji over?
Oh, it's cold. It's freezing.
The chestnut horse there. You're going to bring him over. And McKenna is going to lead you around on him, okay?
Okay.
And I'm going to have to, I'll ask you your name 10 times. What was your name again?
Mateo.
Mateo, okay.
10 times.
I'm like pretty bad with names. But
Me too. Yes.
something in common though.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, okay, hey, first rule, don't walk behind the horse.
Yeah.
Because guess what?
Yeah.
They don't got eyeballs back there. So let's walk in front of the horse, okay?
Oh. How do I even get on the horse? Oh yeah, now I get it. Holy, it's hard. This is gonna be.
Hold on, hold your horses. Wait.
This is gonna be hard.
Strips ready for you.
What's his horse's name? Benji.
That's a cool name, actually.
Yeah. Okay, no, it's okay. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this foot, your left foot, put it in, and then you're gonna swing yourself over onto. Oh, let's actually bring it closer because you just moved a little bit more on it. What a guy!
So I could.
Let me come over there. I'm not letting him move his head towards me. Okay. No, it's because then he moves away with his body. Okay, so you're gonna put your left foot.
Yeah.
Yep. And then you're gonna swing your other leg over. Yeah, there you go. Hey, could you?
Benjamin.
Okay, let's pull him away, and then we're gonna fix your other strap. Okay? Oh, just hold on a second, McKenna.
Holy.
He's a big horse, isn't he?
Yeah. He's the biggest one actually here.
Yeah, you're right. Out of the three, actually, it's pretty tied with Cherry there.
Yeah.
No, he's pretty tight with Dakota, actually.
No, Dakota's taller.
Yeah, an inch taller, at least that much taller.
Okay. Do you know the parts of the saddle and the horse and all that jazz?
No.
Okay, let's learn. So these are called your stirrups. This is where your feet go in.
Yeah.
Hopefully that was short. Your butt is right now in something called a saddle.
I know a saddle, but the only
Oh my goodness. What's that, sorry?
I know a saddle, but I just don't know anything else.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so your foot in the
No,
stirrup.
he's back on the lead.
Okay.
Shoes.
Yeah, so your feet are going to be in the stirrup irons. This is the stirrup leather. We're going to keep our heels down. And then we use our leg to hug the horse to stay on.
What?
Yeah, you hug the horse with your legs.
Like this?
Yeah, exactly, just like this.
That's easy.
Like a dirt bike. It's actually very, very similar.
To a dirt bike.
Yes. You will notice you use the same muscles and positions and stuff.
Yeah.
Like, you know, when you stand up on your dirt bike going over jumps and stuff,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
same thing you're going to do.
But you just don't have this. You don't have. You have handlebars.
Exactly.
Not.
So that position is called 2-point, the one that you do on your dirt bike.
Yeah.
It's the same thing as called 2
But it just doesn't have this. That's all. Yeah.
And it also doesn't have a living animal underneath you. We're going to hold our reins. You actually have your hands in the right place. We're going to see where the braid, thank you guys, where the braid starts.
Like this.
Yeah, exactly. Good job.
Oh,
So
we
when,
need Benji to exit that way.
what? Just hold on, guys. Hold on.
So like this.
Yes. And when we want to stop our horse, we take our hands to our belly button and we say, whoa.
Where's your belly button?
Your belly button.
What?
Send hands to your belly button.
Oh.
So to stop your horse, you're going to take your hands and pull
Like
it back.
this.
Yes, exactly. And say, whoa.
That's.
Say, whoa.
Whoa.
He's got to hear it over here, okay? So you have to see loud enough that he can hear it.
That's
And
funny.
then we ask our horse to go forward. We squeeze our legs and cluck. We go, yeah. Exactly.
That's hard.
Yeah. So you're going to squeeze your legs and cluck when we want to go forward. So show me how we stop again. Yes. And say, whoa.
Whoa.
Yes. And then how do we ask our horse to go forward? And squeeze our legs. Squeeze. Hug her. Okay.
It's hard.
If you want to turn right, we'll use our right hand.
Yeah, like go like this.
Exactly.
And then if you go left, you go like that.
Exactly. But the most important thing is we keep our eyes up and we look where we're going.
Yeah, so then we.
Not his cute little ears, not his cute little face, not the ground, but where we want to go next, okay?
Okay.
Okay, awesome. So you guys can start walking to the right. So give him a squeeze and say, and cluck. There you go, and looking up where you're going. Then we got McKenna helping you speak.
I keep forgetting something about that.
You thinking, Mateo? You want to get one?
Yeah. This is talking to me.
Okay, scoot up a bit. Scoot up a bit.
Oh, like this? Okay. What are all of those things? Oh, those are the hooks for putting jackets on? Or,
Yeah, there's for dunking.
oh,
And steering it.
yeah. Or not? I'm kind.
What's steering?
What?
Short.
Yeah, kind of. Right, Daniel.
Cowboy.
Okay, for the trot, super bouncy.
Mm-hmm.
But you gotta work on keeping your heels down for me, kiddo. Can
Okay.
you show me your heels? These. Push them down to the ground. Yeah, hold on. Just so push down really hard. This is your anchor, okay? This is where you're gonna find your balance is here.
Like this?
Yeah, exactly, just like that. You can let go of your reins because McKenna's gonna be your steer for now. So you don't remember your name, right?
What?
It's okay.
I didn't hear you.
I said McKenna.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So you're gonna push your heels down.
This?
Yeah, and then you're gonna hold on to the saddle for now just to help you balance, okay?
And
gonna
same
get
with the other foot?
100%. So you want to be the same amount of weight and pressure in both of them.
So like,
Just like in your dirt bike.
yeah.
If you lean too much to the one side,
It'll go to that side.
Exactly.
But if you just stay in the middle, it won't do anything.
nailed it. Just the same way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and then it's gonna get bouncy.
And then you just go like,
It's called posting.
yeah. What?
You're gonna go up and down actually. So pretend there's a string tied to your chest that's taking you to the ceiling. It's
And
gonna
this
pull you
goes-
up. Yeah, so go up, stand up, and then down. But see, don't fall forward though. That's why I say a string from your chest up, because you don't want to fall forward. You're going up, straight up in the air.
Like this?
And then down, yeah. Straight up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Good. But don't panic. You're not going to get it probably. It's
Yeah,
hard, right?
yeah.
Because it's bouncy. But you might get it. So
Yeah.
all that matters is that we get a couple in that are good. But if you want, if you need to, you can just sit. It's called sitting trot too.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll try posting and then we'll try sitting as well. But it's going to get bouncy.
Yeah.
So just breathe. That's all that matters. Okay, when we're ready, we're going to stay on the circle and try it, okay, kiddo? And don't panic.
Yeah.
We'll stop him. I'll see if you're showing your balance. I'll ask her to stop him. He's actually pretty smooth. Good on. Eyes up. The most important is your eyes up. Good job. Try to push yourself up. 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 There you go. Up. Up. Okay. Up.
It's like a trampoline.
It's like a trampoline. A trampoline that you can't control though.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again.
Got a Pastrana here. What?
Good job. Good job. Okay, ready? Let's do that again. Can you try pushing yourself up there, okay? Okay, let's go. Eyes up. Eyes up. Post. Good job. Good. Good. And then just walk. Good job. Okay, can you try post? Yeah. You can do it. You can push yourself off, right? What's that? Okay. Let's baby trot.
Tanya Ducky.
It hurts my
Yeah, just hold yourself up.
Okay. Let's just fix your feet first.
My feet are bouncing because it's
Yeah.
a good.
That's okay. We get organized before we do it again.
And you know.
This foot is.
So push your heels down, and then show me your posting again. Up, eyes up, not to the ceiling, but like this. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Good job. Okay, let's do this again. Off you go. So squeeze with your legs, push your heels down as far as you can. String into your chest to the ceiling. When you're ready. Eyes up. Good job, kiddo. Up. Up. Come on. Up. 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 There you go. And then whoa.
Whoa.
Hey, Mr. Kennedy. Hold on.
My nuts.